Yes, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn some of the GitHub command that we use most of the time. So we are going to see this command with practical examples. So let's get started. Now let's create the GitHub repository. So go to GitHub and click on new, name the repository, add a short description of the repository. So this repository will be public, and now let's not add the readme file. For now, we are not adding readme file. So these are Git commands. And so I have created a folder job new that we will push or upload to GitHub. So this is the folder. We will upload all this file on GitHub. So first I will create a git ignore file. Why we create git ignore file? Because we want to ignore some of the folder of file and that we don't want to upload on GitHub. So this help us to ignore those files. So with this command touch.git ignore, we can add the file. We can make the file from this command. So I have created this file git ignore dot git ignore. We can make any file from this command from the terminal only, like app1.py. So let's add the name of the virtual environment folder here, my-env, and the pickle files. So now these two, this folder and files will not push to GitHub because we mentioned them in git ignore. And make sure you have auto save on. So let's do git init and git status. So these are the files that not selected. So let's add these files with git add and git status. So all the files are added now. And this pickle file and environment folders are not selected. Let's add the commit demo. Now let's add the origin, git remote add origin, and now we have to add the URL of HTTPS. Let's copy the URL from here and paste this here. Let's enter. Now let's push the code with this command git push origin. Let's again check the branch and now git push origin master because this is the branch. So our code and files are pushed. Let's refresh this and these are the files. So we have pushed all the files. So this is how we push the files. Now let's add a new branch and push this code into this new branch. So git, let's check the current branches. So we have two branches now. And now let's check here. So we have three branches now, main, master, and name. So let's clear this terminal and let's add a new branch with this command. Branch name is new one, new underscore one. So we have created a new branch. So let's check this branch. Now we have four branches, main, master, name, and new one. So now I will push this code into this new one branch. So git switch, I will switch the branch into this new one with new underscore one. Okay, so we have switched to new branch. Now let's see. So we are now in this new branch, a new one branch name. And now let's push this code into this new one branch. Okay, let's check on GitHub. So now we have three branches. So let's check that. This is the new branch we have created just now, and this is the code. So this is how we can create new branch and push the code on new branch. And now we will see how to pull or get the files from GitHub in local. So I will create a file in GitHub that we will take in our local with pull command. So let's add a file here. Let's create new file. Let's name the file with real.html, and let's add some content here. Okay, it's okay now. So let's create this file here. Now we will get this file in our local system because we have created this file, and we will take this file here with the pull command. So let's check the branch. We have three branches, so let's switch the branch to master. Let's switch to master branch. Now we are in master branch. So let's write the command git pull origin master. So here are the changes. So we have the HTML file here in our local system. This is the file real.html that we have created on GitHub. So with this pull command, we can take the file from GitHub. So this is the file we take from git pull origin main. So this is the command. Now let's do the same thing with fetch and merge command. These are the two commands we will use for getting the file in local system from the remote repository or GitHub. So let's add another file python.py. Let's commit changes. So we have created another file python.py, and we will get this file in local repository. So with git fetch, and now let's add another command git merge origin slash master. So we have a file now. So we have that file in our local system, python file python.py. So this is how we can do this with merge and fetch command. That's it from this video, guys. If you learned something new from this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.